Hi, welcome to Tea with Jann. I am Jann. If you're new here, welcome. We talk about all things tea related, whether that is tasting tea or exploring new or old and vintage teaware, which I absolutely adore. This is the first day in a 14-day series, hopefully. Many of you guys know that I'm not feeling 100%, so I'm going to try to record these when I'm feeling my best through the day. So they'll be put online randomly. So if you haven't already, now would be a great time to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you know when the video goes up each day. If I have to skip a day, I apologize, I will. But I am extra excited. Wait, okay. So I guess maybe if you don't know, we are going to be opening up the Tea Thoughts countdown to Valentine's Day that I purchased. And because I just really appreciate all of you guys and all your support for me and all of your kindness, and you guys, you know, really are a bright spot in my day, I wanted to share something with you guys. Not share, give, maybe, a winner, contest, because you guys know I like contests. Okay. This here tote, I love it. So Camellia sinensis is the actual name for the tea plant. So this is what the tea plant looks like. It's so adorable. I love this tote. This tote is mine. Jeanette gave it to me for Christmas. Thank you, Jeanette. I'm gonna leave all the details down below in the description box on how you could win your own tote. Basically, you have to comment and be subscribed to my channel. All right, you guys, it is day 1. And if you guys are opening your own as well, if you didn't see where I unboxed it and kind of just gave like a little, hey, this is what we're going to be doing, I'll put a link to that video in the description down below. And that was when I was feeling better. So hopefully I get my perkiness back. And through the magic of editing, I hope that you see the best of me. This is day 1, right? Right. It is flat. And it tells us, I think, a sneak on the back, but we're not sneaking. We are not sneaking. This is going to be so much fun. I hope I feel up to it each day. And I love the paper. I purchased this, I can't remember how much it was. She only does like limited editions, but if it is something that you're interested in, she, I believe, is going to be doing a Christmas countdown too. So, like she did last year. So you're definitely going to want to check that out. Ah. These are adorable. We're a perfect matcha. Oh, this is so sweet. So I can send these out to people. Let's slow down and have tea. I've known you were the one all oolong. Oh, I know who I'm giving that one to. Don't tell her yet. These are adorable. That is super, super fun. And Nazanin actually like creates all this stuff. So that is so fun. What did she say on the back? Spread the love this Valentine's Day with tea-themed Valentines. So it kind of tells you on the back. And I love that these are day 1 because this allows us the opportunity to get these in the mail. Because that's what we're going to do. I'm going to try. This is so exciting. Let's open the extra one, shall we? Do we open this extra one now or later? Let's open this now. Just because I'm feeling half decent today and we never know what tomorrow's gonna bring, right? If you haven't opened your extra one, maybe skip this part. I don't know what to tell you. Oh. Oh, these are whole flower infusions. Okay, what does she say? Here, let me show you. There's 2 of them. Delightfully good for you. 1, better skin, digestion, and sleep. 2, high in antioxidants. 3, caffeine and preservative free. Pour hot water over the flower. Keep flower submerged for a minimum of 3 minutes. Enjoy infusion. Refill 2 more times. Ingredients, rose. That is so adorable. I couldn't resist including these roses. Brew them up when you need warmth but no caffeine. All the calm. So cute. All right, we're gonna brew that up. And then we put this away until tomorrow. But look at that box, you guys. Like, that brightens everybody up, right? Okay. I am excited to mail these out, and I am excited to do this. We're also going to open up Alyssa's as well. So remember, Alyssa was kind enough to send me this in the mail, so that was so sweet. I've already tried multiples of the Earl Grey. It's so good. January 1st, a relaxing tea to get you through the hangover accompanying New Year's Eve. Happy 2020. So remember, if you didn't know, Alyssa, I kind of had an accident with not getting her my information in time, so yeah. Ooh. Sleepy Time Herbal Tea, caffeine free. Celestial seasoning. That is wonderful. I will definitely be trying this sometime before bedtime or when I need a nap. Thank you so much, Alyssa. Okay, let me get a brewer and we'll do this. Okay, so I have the cutest little glass teapot. So adorable. I can leave the information in the description if anybody's interested in it. Let's open this. I got the kettle boiling. Oh, smells like a rose. Look at that. This is so neat. Okay, so we are going to place our rose in here. I wonder if there's a particular way that you're supposed to. We're just gonna put it in there. We got it in. Okay, so I picked out this Ainsley teacup to use for this rose infusion because it has a big rose in the center. And we used the other rose, 2 other rose ones that I have with the David's Tea Rose Oolong that I reviewed. So this here Ainsley, and like I said, you can tell from the back stamp that it's an Ainsley, and that gives you also information as to how old it is. But I enjoy this shape and the handle. And this here is the one with the roses, and it actually has a signature right in there. And this one is Bailey, is the artist. So yeah, we're gonna drink it up a little bit. I should have been pouring my water. Oh, I'm not with it today. Okay. Okay, so that's the Ainsley that we're gonna use. Now let's give this a pour. Okay, let's see if I can help you see. starting to become more rose-like. So pretty. I hope you guys are excited about the contest. I love this tote. And I seen when I was looking on her website that she was doing a necklace with this too. So you might want to check that out too. I love how it's like a hidden, you know, only other tea nerds are gonna get this. You know, the proper botanical name. So yeah. And I'm purchasing this myself. She's not affiliated. I know I often get questions about that. I like supporting small businesses and nice people, and yeah, I have a lot more people that I want to support this year. That is so pretty. Okay. Oh, I'm a tad bit clumsy now too. So hopefully I don't break any of my teaware doing this. Okay, let's pour. It just smells like light floral roses. And it's, I mean, well, you can tell from the clear teapot, it's pretty clear. Just a light hue to it. That is lovely. If you enjoy florals, which I now do, I'm so happy that my taste buds changed, you would most likely enjoy this. It's not, I hear people talking about like, is it, you know, perfumey or soapy? I don't get that at all. It's just like a nice, delicate, mild rose. It is amazing. Very nice. And, ooh. The other thing that I wanted to do, and I know that this is probably becoming a long video, especially since I'm a little bit slower today, I think we'll talk about that tomorrow maybe. Maybe I'll be feeling a little bit more alive tomorrow. Don't forget to comment to win. I will leave all the instructions, I don't know what they're called. Anyways, I will leave more information down below in the description box. I will chat with you guys in the comments. Until next time, take care. Bye.